Bringing your newborn home is exciting for parents. But before you bring your newborn home, birthing center often asks parents whether they have installed car seat for infant or not. They allow you to take your newborn home only when you have car seat along with you. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you all how we have installed car seat for our newborn. So stay tuned. Hi moms and cutie babies, welcome to ICAREBABY. Myself is the same. I make videos related to parenting, pregnancy and baby care. If you are new to my channel, then definitely click subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notified when we upload new videos. Help ICAREBABY to reach out to 50,000 subscribers. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and Instagram. So we bought Graco travel system which comes with the car seat and stroller, which is budget friendly option. So while buying the travel system, we look for the parameters such as its quality, easy to use, easy to clean, lightweight, and of course it's affordable. So let me share with you all how we have installed car seat for a newborn.
So this is a Graco car seat manual. It's important to read the instructions in the manual which comes with a stroller or a car seat to get more information about installation, use, care and safety. So we are following the instructions mentioned in this manual for installation. So this is a Graco Snugride Sunglock 30 infant car seat. It comes in a different color combination. We decided to go for a grey color. It comes with removable head body support for a newborn, 5-point harness which is an adjustable seat belt. It's for an infant who weighs between 4 to 30 pounds. Cleaning a car seat is easy. You can wipe clean or spot clean. You can easily carry the car seat with this handle. It's very lightweight. It comes with a protective sun canopy. So simply press red buttons on the sides to adjust the handle and sun canopy. You need to install a car seat base first. Open the storage compartment to take out the latch. So this metal latch you can attach to the vehicle lower anchors. But before doing that, open SnugLock arm to secure the latch belt. Pull the straps out through the car seat base and attach it to the vehicle anchors. You can adjust the belt, just press the grey button. Pull the latch and belt to make sure it's secured properly. Close the middle latch, it will make tuck noise. Make sure that your car seat base is attached properly and not moving. Now it's time to place the car seat on the base. It has a button on both sides that will fit into the car seat base. It has a red lever at the back which you can push up and down while placing and removing a car seat. You will always hear a click sound whenever you install a car seat on the base. For newborn, install a rear facing car seat. It has a level to ground indicator on the side. Make sure that it's always leveled whenever you use a car seat. Here are some important tips. Always follow instructions and guidelines mentioned in the product manual. Install the car seat well before you bring your newborn home and get it checked. Search for a nearby location for a car seat installation inspection. You can also get your car seat installation checkup at the fire station. Provided that, find out the fire location that provide this facility. And it's always best to schedule an appointment for the same rather than walk in. So we are all set for our newborn, and here is our cute little pie sitting in his comfy car seat.
So that's it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notified when we upload new videos.